I have decided to learn Python. Not because I have to, but because I actually always wanted to be able to code. And today was the first day where I started, and it was a lot of fun, I can tell you that. I hope you enjoy this video and get along with me on my journey. Doing my research, I have come across a lot of programming platforms, but most of them are paid services. At least for the beginning, I wanted not to spend a lot of money on what I'm doing. So I found this platform called Python Programming, MOOC, I think, 2026. It is a free-to-use learning platform offered by the University of Helsinki. It basically offers courses from beginner to advanced in Python. What was important to me was not to actually just blindly follow tutorial videos, but actually get my hands on, and the platform does just that. It teaches me Python step by step and then gives me tasks where I have to apply the things I've learned into action, and yes, it was actually a lot of fun. The program starts off very easily by teaching you how to print a text, and I have already encountered my first error doing that because, just see for yourself. Write a program that prints out this emoticon. Huh? Ah. So the problem that I encountered here is that the emoticon has to be printed as a string. A string is a data type that can be declared by using these quotation marks around the content that you want to print. And because of that, the program gave me an error. I looked up a little bit and I noticed here, okay, there is a string. I need to add these quotation marks. And these data types are actually what I learned a lot more about during this whole day. I learned about integers, I learned about floats, I learned about strings, booleans. Another one of my highlights was actually this one, let me show you. Okay, yeah, I get it. These ones, it's an example because this is a value. It's like the number, the integer that's getting printed as the number. And here it's getting printed as a string. The output looks the same right here. The output looks the same, but what we actually store inside is a different data type, right? So because if we add, for example, we add 100 plus 100 here, then it should print 200. But if we add like 100 plus as a string plus 100 as another string, it would basically just print out 100, 100, right? Ah, yeah, exactly here. Like, this is exactly what I was talking about. I haven't even seen that. Yeah, I'm right. Okay, I get it. Yeah, okay, it makes sense. So what just happened here, although it might seem kind of self-explanatory to some of you who watch this video, who have a bit more experience in coding than me, was actually kind of a big deal to me because the concept of the data types actually clicked, and it proved me by scrolling down and showing me what the actual result was. As you know, I'm still a beginner, so please correct me if I'm wrong. Actually, I want you to correct me if I'm wrong. An integer is basically a data type that just contains any non-decimal number in a value. If we have a decimal number, it is called a float. And if we add these values on top of each other, two integers, we get the sum of the integers. That's why the result of 100 plus 100 is 200 in this case. However, if we set the data type as a string by using the quotation marks, then it's a fixed sequence of characters inside. So because the 100 is a fixed sequence and the other 100 is also a fixed sequence, by adding these two fixed sequences we get 100, 100 and not 200. And the fact that I understood that was actually a huge sense of accomplishment for me. That about sums up what I've learned today. If you enjoyed this video enough to watch until the very end, I'm very, very thankful, and I would really appreciate if you click on the like button and give me a subscribe. Also, special shoutouts to Epic Knight 6704. Your comment yesterday actually really made my day. And take care. See you all in the next video until I get employed.